Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is,
What is the author's purpose in both Patrick Henry's speech and Thomas Paine's Common Sense? A. To outline a list of liberties all colonists have a right to show the colonists how their nation would be run once it was independent. C. To shame the king into giving the colonies back to the people. D. To convince the colonists to break away from the British rule. The answer to the question is D. To convince the colonists to break away from British rule. So that's the correct answer to the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I'll be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.